What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jess's channel. So today I'm finna be showing you guys how to replace a starter on a Mazda 626, which is my little daily bucket mobile, and I'll be mobbing on it, saving some gas. Well, definitely way more than the Jag for sure. But lately it's been having some starting issues where sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't, and that lets me know that the solenoid on the starter is going bad. The solenoid is mounted on top of the starter, so sometimes when I turn the key to the on position, all I get is a clicking noise. If you're having that same symptoms, or if you're hearing like a grinding noise from the starter, then it's time to replace it. Do not hesitate. Don't be mobbing on your Mazda trying to finish all these errands that you got. No, go straight home and take care of this. The last thing you want is not being able to start the Mazda while you're at some random place. And yes, there's some videos out there that tell you, hey, just hit the starter and the car should start, which is true. But the thing about the starter, it's located underneath the motor. So yeah, definitely take care of it. I was about to go run some errands, but I stopped myself. I was like, relax, I have two cars. I'm having problems with this one already. Let me just take care of it once I come back from work. But yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Disconnect the black negative battery cable with a 13mm wrench and move the cable away from the battery. Remove the air filter housing assembly using a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Unplug the wiring connectors from the housing. Remove the top starter bolts. To gain better access to the starter bolts, remove this wiring bracket. Apply the parking brake and chock the rear wheels. Raise the front of the Mazda with a floor jack and lower it onto two jack stands for support. Slide under your vehicle and unplug the wire from the solenoid. Disconnect the heavy wire from the solenoid using a wrench. Remove the lower starter mounting bolt with a ratchet and socket. If you need more clearance to gain better access to the starter bolts, remove the bracket from the intake manifold with a ratchet and socket. I was able to remove the starter without removing the bracket, but I did have to remove this wire and move it out of the way. Install the new starter and torque down the bolts at 33 foot-pounds. Then put everything back together. Alright, well, I wish I was able to show you guys how I removed and installed the starter, but unfortunately my camera and my phone battery was low. I also need to invest on a tripod for my phone since it's dark underneath there and you can't really see anything. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.